As you embark on this visual journey, prepare to witness a powerful and moving portrayal through the lens of street art. The scenes you're about to see are more than mere murals. They are windows into the often unseen world of homelessness, a world where both humans and animals strive for survival and dignity in the harsh realities of the streets. Each image, rich in color and emotion, tells a story of struggle, resilience, and the unyielding spirit of community. From the silent echoes of homeless city to the intimate moments of shared struggles, these artworks are a call to awareness and compassion, reminding us of the vital need for support and understanding in our societies. Let these murals be both a reflection and an inspiration as we navigate the complexities and the profound human connections within these urban canvases. We start with Streets and Alleyway Bond. In the shadows of the city's forgotten alleys, a tale of unwavering loyalty unfolds. Here, a homeless soul finds solace in the companionship of a loyal dog. Their bond, a beacon of warmth, pierces through the chill of the concrete jungle, reminding us that in the heart of despair, there exists a love that shelters against life's harshest storms. Next scene is shared meals under the bridge. Under the bridge, where the world rushes by above, an elderly man and a stray cat share a moment of quiet dignity. Their meal, humble yet shared with generous hearts, speaks of a kinship that transcends circumstance, a mutual comfort in the face of solitude. In their eyes, we see the reflection of life's simple yet profound connections. Next scene is a tale in the park. In the stillness of a deserted park, a young woman weaves stories for her audience of stray dogs. Each word, a thread in the tapestry of hope she spins, offers a respite from the harshness of the streets. It's a scene that captures the enduring spirit of humanity, finding light and sharing joy, even when the world seems dark. Next scene is Winter's Embrace on the street corner. On a street corner where snowflakes dance with the winter wind, a homeless individual and a small dog find solace in shared warmth. Wrapped in a tattered blanket, their struggle against the biting cold is a poignant reminder of the unrelenting grip of winter on those without a hearth to call home. Next is Harmonica Resilience in the Square. In the bustling city square, a homeless veteran and his dog become a portrait of resilience. His harmonica sings tales of unseen battles, of lost dreams and unspoken sorrows. Yet, in his dog's eyes, we see an unwavering companion, echoing the strength and enduring hope that even in life's dissonance, there's a melody that binds. And last scene is Under the Bridge, a family's refuge. Beneath the city's bridge, a makeshift tent becomes a haven for a family without a roof. Here, humans and animals alike share the threadbare comforts of a home they've cobbled together. It's a glimpse into a world of shared struggles, a testament to the solidarity found in the unlikeliest of places, uniting in their fight for tomorrow. These narrations aim to bring to life the scenes depicted in the prompts, weaving a tapestry of emotions and insights that highlight both the struggles and the profound connections found in the lives of the homeless and their animal companions. As our journey through these poignant and thought-provoking murals comes to a close, I hope they've left you with a deeper understanding and empathy towards the complex issue of homelessness. If these stories and images have moved you, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Your support is crucial in continuing this kind of content production, enabling us to shed light on more such important issues and use art as a medium to evoke change. Together, we can keep exploring, understanding, and making a difference, one artwork at a time. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to share this video to help spread awareness. Your engagement truly makes a difference.